Air India is again facing the heat. Now an 82-year-old woman is in ICU under observation for potential brain bleeds following a fall at the Delhi airport after she was allegedly denied a wheelchair which was pre-booked with Air India. After waiting for an hour for the wheelchair, the woman, the widow of a decorated lieutenant general, had to walk a considerable distance at the airport with the help of a family member and fell near a counter of the airline when her legs gave away. The woman's granddaughter alleged that she was not provided first aid and, after a wheelchair finally arrived, boarded on the aircraft with a bleeding lip and injuries to her head and nose. The visuals are on your screens, viewers. My colleague Tanushka is joining me for more on this. Tanushka, take us through when this sad incident happened.
Right, Aditi. This happened on March 4th on the Terminal 3 of Delhi Airport when this Air India flight was on its way to Bengaluru. And we know from the granddaughter of this 82-year-old lady who is recovering at the ICU still. She took to social media platform X and posted about this, writing the entire ordeal that her grandmother went through and how she had to walk all the way in the lack of being provided with a wheelchair by the Air India support staff at the Delhi airport. However, now Air India has also come out with its own statement in regards to the issue and has said that the claims made by the passenger and the passenger's family is completely baseless. Air India says that the passengers, arrived at the airport not on time. They had to arrive 2 hours prior to departure, but they were later than that. And even at the persons with reduced mobility desk, they reached late, which is why, due to unprecedented demand of such wheelchairs, they were unable to provide with a wheelchair at that particular time. However, what Air India also maintains is that at no point that they deny any sort of assistance to the lady, and they claim that this lady and her family, out of their own account and their will, decided to walk up to the terminal. But of course, there is a different story that has been shared by the granddaughter of this lady. Photos have also been shared, as you can see on your screens right now, of this lady falling finally at the premium economy entry gate of the Air India